just north of swanky Johannesburg is the township of Diepsloot, which started off as a mix of formal and informal settlement project that grew into a sprawling township and now home to about 800,000 residents. This year's Community Plumbing Challenge focuses on Extension 1 in the township of Diepsloot. It is a place where there is no electricity, where water is often off, where accessibility is made difficult from constantly running sewage and overflowing stormwater drains. It is a place where plumbing solution is a problem. Of communal sanitation is much needed. The aim of this year's Community Plumbing Challenge is to improve living conditions, mainly to relate public health to sanitation facilities through collaboration and practical action in the heart of the host communities. Hosting the 2016 Community Plumbing Challenge in Diepsloot are two organizations with a passion to finding solutions to the township problem. The first is WhatsApp, acronym for water, amenities, sanitation service upgrading program here in Diepsloot. WhatsApp takes on the responsibility for repairs and maintains public toilets, taps and drain in Diepsloot. The second host group is DACN, Diepsloot Art and Culture Network runs program for the youth in this township, directing their abundant energy toward productive pursuit in the arts. The Art in Action event is also held in the same week, culminating on 18 July, Mandela Day. In brief, this week is a showcase of talent of young people in art, designing, plumbing, and engineering, building up to United Nations World Youth Skill Day on 15 July 2016. 4 main teams from different parts of the world have gathered together for the Community Plumbing Challenge in Diepsloot. Team Australia, Team India, Team South Africa, and Team USA. Simultaneously, a team from School of Science and Technology, Singapore, are working with local filmmakers and interviewers for media coverage of the event. They are joined by the computer-aided design student experts from Diepsloot, from the University of Johannesburg and the Wits University. Together, this group form the Fusion Design Hub, creating 3D models, emulation, and other educational resources. At the center of all this partnership is Sticky Situation, an organization which emerged from the Global Studio program in 2007, dedicated to strengthening community. The faith and the hard work of the organizing committee and the support of many organizations have made this Community Plumbing Challenge in Diepsloot possible. With so many stakeholders coming together, this challenge is a melting pot of culture, talent and passion, producing work that will make a difference to lives of the Diepsloot communities of Extension 1.